Hi, please join us in conversation to learn more about Trias College.
I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds, and I have to tell you, I'm having a great day here in Mississauga, Ontario, talking to folks that are really in transformation of life, studying, learning, having a great time right here at Trias College. Why don't you introduce yourself? Tell me what program you're in.
My name is Mohammed. I study CSTN, computer networking.
Okay.
And it's mostly about running virtual machines, knowing how to figure out your way around a computer, not on the hardware side, mostly on the software side.
Mohammed, tell me about what made you choose this field of study?
I was always fascinated by computers. When I was around 12, I built my first computer from scratch. And then it slowly started to become more of a hobby. And then later on in life, I realized that actually people work with this, right? And it's getting way too advanced to the point where it's actually a very important field in any job, or in any company, I mean.
How did Trias find its way into your life? How did you find out about them?
How did I find out about them? So when I first came here, I was supposed to go to a university. And a few things happened with my, what is it called? My visa.
Mm-hmm.
And it got delayed and stuff, so they had to cancel my study there. So I ended up looking for something that has more semesters so I could do in, because if I didn't apply for the university, it would have been delayed for another year. So I started looking up for colleges that are open. And I was also a little bit late on the application. So one of the few colleges that were left open was actually Trias.
Trias. Do you remember about your first experience when you contacted them? Talk to me about that. Was that a welcoming experience?
It was. They were actually quite nice. They were very okay with me being late on the application. They didn't even give me the late fee.
Is that right? So they were welcoming to you right from the get-go?
Yes.
How far along are you in your program now?
This is my third semester.
Third semester.
Yeah.
Tell me about the experience so far with Trias.
The experience is very fun. I have made many friends from many different countries. And so I learned more about their culture, how they eat, what they dress, and everything. And also, due to me being a student ambassador, I have also worked with a lot of the staff. They are very friendly, very nice. They are very willing to help. And while doing student ambassador work, I did something called MMC Got Talent, which we made like a talent show for the students here. And it was very nice to see how students are very, very talented.
Yeah. There's one thing that I find that you mentioned the word help. You said they were willing to help. There's one thing that I find here at Trias that they break down all the barriers to learning. They want to make sure that the students are successful. As a student, do you feel that when you come to work every day?
Yes. It's actually very everything is accessible for us. Any department that you could imagine, whether you want to help with English or you need someone to help you study, or if you need any form of help, they already have it here.
Wow. Mohammed, what is your dream job?
I would love to work in a cybersecurity company. It's been my main goal right now.
Is that right?
Yes.
Do you feel that Trias is giving you the tools and the confidence to go there?
Yes. Yes, for sure. It's been giving me my CSTN, and then I've also been doing other extracurriculums on the side. But with what Trias is giving me, whether it's my co-op, whether it's my studies, and all the help from the instructors and the staff, they are definitely helping me find my dream job a lot easier than.
What would you tell somebody that might be looking at Trias right now as an opportunity for themselves?
I would tell them you should, well, I won't force them to go in. I would tell them, why don't you come and visit the campus if possible? Just look at how students are here, ask around, see how the staff behave. I think just from that, they would apply for this college.
It's been an absolute pleasure to be in conversation.
Pleasure with you. The pleasure is with me as well.
Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit trios.com.